Shall we go for a dance? In uneasy times, a fair weather tipple meets an unwelcome tithe. This land has changed. Did you fall on the way? Yes, but we stood up again. We felt too much pain, because our mills stopped turning and our coal stopped burning. Yet our workers' spirits still yearn for their returning. You must have known this industry would never amount to a future of prosperity, one empty of doubt. Yes, sir, but what were we supposed to do? We could only keep working and wait for industries anew. This old English North, you can tell it's been sick, 'cause every working class Tommy has been left unemployed by the Rick. Whose fault is that? I'm told every day, but I always ask myself, does it matter anyway? Because if we could go back and do it as before, would economy and industry leave us so sore? This is a place not far from here, not distant by geography, but by love, time and endear, where our grandparents sit, and their parents too. This time has gone by, but their memories ensue. That great city down south, England's beating heart, can you tell a southerner from a northerner? Are they that far apart? And the fires of history instill such division, but I don't think we should live by them really, because in our hearts a human being so different. But I'm collecting some memories, for the future anyway, so if I'm ever blessed to be a father with children, my kids won't go astray. But to be alive today is no easy task, but we have 1,000 years of history. We can at least learn from the past.